Hi, I'm Elaf, and today I'm going to show you how to do a DIY at-home photo shoot using glasses as a product example and using AI to find the right models to help you with the angles and give you the studio background. So I'll show you how it works. We can put them on the same AI model if we wanted to, and that's something that's a bit trickier with AI, but we're working on it on the platform. And so if you want an example of how to do that, I could give you another tutorial on another video. But for now, we're going to see 3 different photos, 3 different glasses, 3 different models, and kind of 3 different angles. A lot of e-commerce brands or dropshippers need lifestyle photos for their brand so they can show customers what the products look like. This is something that is kind of significantly related to the number of sales, because usually when someone buys something, you want to see how it looks before you test it out. And so this is basically the purpose of using AI to create these lifestyle photos. If you enjoyed this video, would appreciate any support, and if there's anything else you'd like to see, feel free to let me know and I'll get working on it so that I can show you how to make the most of the platform. So now I'm going to share my screen and we'll get straight into it. I'll start by sending these burgundy glasses from the background remover tab to the studio editor tab. The studio editor is the second tab, and here I can adjust their position in the frame so that it's in the place I want it to be in the photo. Once happy, I'll click the generate product photos button to send it to the third AI editor tab. On this tab, I'll write what the product is, so glasses, and where I want it placed, in this case on a 45-year-old woman smiling outside. Next, I'm going to zoom into the image component on the left where the glasses are and paint over the lenses of the glasses because we don't want this to show up since it's not transparent. This way the AI will generate behind the lenses too. When I'm happy, I'll zoom out and click the green generate button. 4 photos are created. I like this one but need to make some edits, so if I click on the edit button, it will send it to the component on the left again. Now I can use the same brush as before to paint around the frame and the parts that I want to edit. Once I'm happy, I'll click generate, and if it needs further editing, I could send it back and forth. I like this one, so I'm going to download it by clicking the small arrow on the top right. Next, I'm going to use these black frames that are angled slightly away from the camera. I'm sending them from the background remover tab to the AI editor tab. The prompt is glasses in the product box, and I want them on a 32-year-old Vietnamese woman in a pink studio background facing the side. Then, similar to before, I'll use my mouse to zoom into the glasses on the image component and use the brush to paint the area on the lenses. Once I'm happy, I'll zoom out and click generate. 4 images are generated, and they're not perfect, but definitely something I could work with. I'll send the one I like to the editor, and you could see that the AI has drawn glasses underneath the frames of our glasses, which is usually what happens, but we're not supposed to see it. So I'll paint over the parts I want edited and remove the glasses underneath. I might have to send it back and forth a couple times to make sure it's good enough. As the AI trains and gets better, all this back and forth will be removed, but for now it does a pretty good job. I think this one turned out well, so I'm going to download it to save it. The final pair of glasses I'm going to show you is this larger frame in black. Similar to before, I'm sending it from the background remover to the studio editor tab in order to resize it and reposition it. Then when I'm happy, I'm going to send it to the AI editor tab. I'm typing in the prompt, glasses, followed by on a 16-year-old boy, smiling, then painting over the lenses and clicking generate. Four images are generated. I'll flick through them. They do need some touching up, but I'll select the one I like and then click edit. Once it's on the image component on the left, I'll paint over the things that I want to touch up and then click generate. I might also need to do this a couple times, but once I'm happy, I will download it. I quite like this one, so I'm going to save. So that's the tutorial. Of course, you could keep editing the images to perfect them as much as you like. We are currently using the state-of-the-art models, so the latest models that you have on the market, all integrated and fine-tuned so that it could be as good as possible to help you demonstrate your product. Of course, the AI is getting better over time as the models continue to train, so there will be less back and forth over time. But for now, this is the best way to make the most of it. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you have any other products and examples that you'd like to see, more than happy to share different ways of prompting the AI and generating images so that you could get the most perfect images that you can. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.